for a minute now. I have a project. I make noise as well. It's kind of what you do in the scene, you know. You start going to shows. You're like, oh, I should do this. I should make some. So I've been making. I make ambient noise, like horror ambient, and then I also make gore noise, which is like mouth sounds, and like the grossest sounds you can think of. Like I have one where I'm eating chips and moaning and like burping and like and then like my first noise show I had a piece of cob of corn that I was eating with my mic. So I had a contact mic here, and then I had a contact mic on a bucket that I had corn chips in that I was stepping in. And then I ran it through like 6 distortion pedals.